Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With groceries as high as they are, I thought I'd try out the Too Good To Go app and show you what I got. I got this at my local fresh market and it's valued at $30 and I got it for $10. So if you get the Too Good To Go app, it's free and I'll try to add my link. YouTube's kind of weird about links sometimes, but I'll try to share my link to the Too Good To Go app. And different restaurants and grocery stores have their soon to expire merchandise for a fraction of the cost. So I did the bakery surprise bag, and Fresh Market also has a produce one. I think like ready to eat meals, and also a dairy bag. So I thought the bakery one would be the safest to start with to see the value and whether it's worth it again, because I'm doing it for you guys to see if it's worth it. And in my city, I live near kind of a mid-sized to small city. It's mainly Krispy Kreme and the Fresh Market that I see, but I'm sure if you live in a more populous area, like that has a Whole Foods or something like that. And I think Aldi does it as well, which is cool. We have an Aldi, so I need to keep my eyes peeled for that. Well, let's rip into this and see. So again, I said that it's valued at $30, but I got it for $10. So let's take a look at the goodies. So this is the bakery surprise bag. And the first thing we've got in here is the Patriotic Brownie Platter. So as you can see, it was valued at $10.99 originally, and that's just one item. I was wondering if I'd get any savory breads or something, but I'm curious whether it's just going to be all sweet stuff, but here we go. It's Patriotic Brownie Platter, originally valued at $10.99. The second thing is mini old-fashioned donuts, and they were valued at $6.99 originally. Yeah, we look like we got some breads going on in here. That's what I was excited about. Let's see. These are 3-count sourdough mini baguettes. They were originally valued at $4.99. And if anybody knows about the Fresh Market, they're a little bit more costly than a lot of grocery stores. So it's awesome that they share some of their merchandise at a discounted price so people like me on a budget can get it. And this looks nice. This is sourdough Alpine. I don't really know what the Alpine parts mean, but it's a really hefty loaf of sourdough, and it was $5.99. So I'm going to take one more peek. Yeah, there's nothing else in there, so we have, this was worth $5. This was worth $6, so that's $10 already. And this was $7, and this was $11, so decent. I wouldn't say it all added up to $30, but it's still a really good value for $10. I'll probably try out the dairy one and like the produce and maybe the ready-to-eat meals, because they have a lot of really good lunch items, kind of like chicken salad, and they have good hot items as well at the Fresh Market. But that's the first peek at Too Good To Go, and I will share some information about the app in the description if you guys are interested in joining. And it's just a way to help prevent emissions, food waste, save a little bit in your pocketbook, whatever you're interested in doing. So that was my first try of the Too Good To Go app. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye everybody.